I'm at number 4 Exeter Court today. It's a stone's throw from the town, really close in Exeter Street. So you've got everything you need there, and of course all the town facilities are easy to get to as well. This property is a 3-bedroom mid-terrace property, and it's on over 3 stories, and on the middle story you've got this balcony which I'm standing on, which gives you a nice bit of private outside space, and you've got a refurbished kitchen and living room. The garage will fit a small car, and you've got a parking space as well, and again all very close to town, which is, you know, remarkable. And the property itself is very well presented. It has been recently refurbished, new carpets and kitchen and bathrooms and so on. So do watch the video and then book your viewing.